Hello my friend, how are you? So today is an exciting get ready with me using makeup items I bought at Marshall's recently. So here's an I Heart Revolution palette, Beauty Concepts face palettes, lip balm, and along the way I chatted about the summer weather season and Blessed Carlo Acutis exhibit that's going on right now in California. Apparently it's on tour, and I think that's really exciting to share if you are a fellow curious person of learning about someone else who is a saint in the Catholic Church. So if all that is interesting, keep on watching. And with all that said, I'll go ahead and start the video right now. So the first item I want to show is a lip balm set. Now this one was in clearance for like around $3, and you get 3 lip balms. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the one called Vitamin E and Peppermint. And the packaging, it said that it is like a natural, oh, it says right here. It says ingredients, shea butter, 100% natural beeswax, coconut oil, vitamin E, and peppermint, and it's all 100% pure by Woolzies. So I've tried this brand before, and I find that the lip balm is very moisturizing and the scents are very in par with what it says on the label. So for the peppermint one, I do smell the peppermint minty freshness of it, and it feels really comfortable on the lips as well. So I already primed my eyelids with the Zoeva eye primer. And for today's palette that I hauled in Marshall's, this is the I Heart Revolution, the Big Cheese palette. And this one I got for $5.99. And this is like the color story. It's so beautiful. It's like perfect for summer. They had so much of the I Heart Revolution palettes in my local Marshalls, and I love I Heart Revolution. Their palettes are amazing, and you get so much for what you pay. Especially like for $6, you get all of these shades, and their formula is very good. So the first shade I want to try is so the first shade I want to take is called Manchego. It'll be this one right here. And I'll put that all over my brow bone. So the next shade I want to take, it's called Roquefort. This aqua green shade. I'll put that as my transitional crease shade, and I'm using the Sigma E40. So I hope your summer has been going really well. Currently right now in California, where we are experiencing a heat wave. And a heat wave for us, that basically means 90s, upper 90s weather, and it's very uncomfortable. But I know other areas have it much hotter than California. I heard that Death Valley is currently like around 1 in the triple digits, like more than 105 degrees. And that is very, very hot. I think that's basically like the huge reasoning why I don't like summer. The season of summer is because of the heat waves. But then the most positive thing about summer is that there's no flu season and the heat. And I love that. I'm embracing that. I don't like winter season because that's where everyone is getting sick, and there's no preventing yourself to getting any kind of virus out there. You just need to go through it, and that includes the stomach bug. That's where I would like to improve on within myself. Like, if I get the stomach flu, I shouldn't feel like it's the end of the world. But all I do know is that I know how to prevent it from being contagious, and that's like bleach. You need to bleach everything you use in the bathroom. So, anyway, like, why am I talking about the stomach flu? No. Okay, we're gonna switch topics here. So, for my crease, I want to take Monterey Jack, which is this yellow shade right here. I'm pretty much going with what I'm wearing for my shirt today. It pretty much matches with sunflowers. And I'm taking my Zoeva 224. So besides summer weather, I hope everything has been well on your end within your family and your friends. Sometimes summer is a good opportunity to catch up with our loved ones and travel and do things that you wanted to do. So I've learned that there is a touristic religious situation going around right now, and I figured I could talk about that. So it's called the Carlo Acutis Eucharistic Miracles exhibit comes to LA. And so basically they're traveling all around different parishes and different locations in California. And like, I will send like a link in my description box to give like the locations, because it's going all the way from June 2023 to June 2024. So I actually had the chance to learn about St. Carlo last year, and I did pre-film a video talking about him, about his life and what made him a saint in today's modern world. I found him when I was looking up the All Saints Day prayer, and they had included him in a photo, and that was amazing because this photo looked really recent. It was colored and it was an actual person, just like how all of our saints are, but this one was just very, very modern. And yeah, so I have not had the chance to upload it yet, but I hope I will soon because I really admire him at such a young age of his dedication to the Catholic faith and how much he loved Mother Mary as well. So for a shimmer shade, I'm going to take this one right here, and it's called Goida. And this one right here. And I'll go ahead and put that with my finger. So a brief summary of Blessed Carlo. He started at a young age trying to document Eucharistic miracles around the world, pretty much. Like he was seeking for them. And you know, at the time during the during the time around the early 2000s, technology wasn't advanced, especially in the computers. But he managed to build his own website documenting all those Eucharistic miracles. He wanted everyone to know about. He did make it happen, and he had a motive to inspire people to know about the Catholic faith. And it's so admirable because he did that at such a young age. Like, it's just amazing to relate to someone like that, because I know what it's like to have the love of the faith and trying to learn more about it when you get into the faith even more. And I think for me, it's learning about saints, and he is definitely one of my favorites. And I also feel like you could pray to him whenever you have computer problems, because he is the patron saint for the media and technology. So I think I'm pretty much done using this beautiful palette. I can't wait to play around with it again. And the shadows, they blend so beautifully. Okay, so now I'm going to take this Beauty Concepts Rosy Glow Blush. And I got this for $3 or $4, and you get such a huge pan, and it's shimmery. And I'll be taking my Spectrum blush brush. The handle broke because my sister had it and she left it like that, but it has a new handle. I don't know the number. So this blush is blending out really, really beautifully. Not bad for $4. So I am already glowy with the sunscreen, but I am going to put on highlighter, and this is the Beauty Concepts, and it just says highlighter. Again, this one was like around $3 or $4, and it's got like an ice cream at the center there. It's so cute. And I'll take my Zoeva 129. Now, one of the last things I want to do is put on lip gloss, and this is from Victoria's Secret, and it's a Shiny Kiss and more Mimosa. It's perfect for summer, perfect for daytime dates, date nights, daytime date with yourself at the mall. So that is going to be everything for today's video. This would be my final look. I'm really curious and interested in trying out Beauty Concepts eyeshadow palettes. I've seen a lot of them in discount in Marshalls, so I might pick up a couple, but I'll see. But so far I have been really impressed with these face palettes. And of course I love I Heart Revolution. There's plenty there in Marshalls if you wanted to check it out right now. But yeah, so that is for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. May God bless always. Be safe, be healthy, be well. You enjoy the rest of July. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.